All right. So a lot of you have asked me about this. It's a crimping iron. It's sold by Head Candy, which is a company. You can find them online. So I'm going to show you how easy it is to do this. I've had my hair in a messy bun since last night. This is what my hair looks like. But we're going to fix that. And I'm going to show you how quickly you can fix it. With the right tools, no time at all. So I have mine at 450 degrees. My hair is coarse, so my hair texture is different than some people's. So I would not suggest putting it on 450 degrees unless you have like a very coarse or thick strands of hair. If you have fine hair, I would turn this way, way down. But you find what works for you. Often people think, oh my gosh, if I turn it on high, it's gonna do a better job. That's not true. You can literally burn your hair off. There are many, many YouTube videos of girls who have literally burned their hair off because they either, one, leave the iron on too long, or two, they have it way too hot for their hair. Okay, there's this one video going around a couple years ago I remember watching, and she's like, and I leave it on for 30 seconds, and I'm thinking to myself, like, 30 seconds? Oh my God, no way. And she burned her hair right off, like right off. And she was like, oh, I was like, well, somebody needs to show that child how to use heat products appropriately. Also, it's also important to use a heat protectant, okay? You can get them on Amazon. I'll show you, I'll leave a link below with the one that I use. I put heat protectant on my hair last night because I knew that I was going to apply heat today at some point. And I fell asleep with my hair in a bun. All right, so I know it looks dumb, but oh, look, I left a straggler. But it will turn out okay in the end. So this is really it. This is super, super easy. And again, also the length of time that it takes you to do your hair also depends on how long your hair is. I would say that my hair is like, it's considered long, but I would say it's like medium length. I wish I could get it to grow past that point where it is, but I don't know. It doesn't. Like I said, it will literally break off if I wash it too much or whatever. Like, it's very, very, very coarse. And it is a pain, yes, but we live with what God gave us. And we just do the best we can. Hook up. So. Anyway, how's your day? My day is good. It's Friday. Friday! Which means that it's the weekend, and I would like to say that means we get to sleep in, but it doesn't, because we have kids. And kids are up at the butt crack of dawn, even if they go to bed at like 2 o'clock in the morning. Why? How can they do that? How does their bodies do that? I'd like to know. What is the secret? I'm gonna bottle that, sell it, become a millionaire. That's what I'm gonna do. Where do they get all that energy from? I have no idea. So I also use, while we're just sitting here chatting, I also use a anti-frizz serum from Paul Mitchell, which I will put also in the description below because it is awesome. And it helps tame the mane. So we're 5 minutes into the video now, and I've got just about half of my head done. So again, we just do this in sections. A lot of people have asked me about this tool. I use all of my heat appliances are from Head Candy, all of them. No, I don't work for them. Their products are just amazing, and I trust them with my heating products. I literally have a drawer full. My daughter even uses a Head Candy straightener. Their products are not like super expensive, but they are a little bit more on the higher end, but completely worth it. I have been using Head Candy since they came out with their heating brush like 6 years ago or something like that, maybe longer than that. I've been using it for a really long time. So yeah, I don't work for them. I'm not like an affiliate or anything like that. So don't sit here on my YouTube and be like, oh, she's making, no, I'm not. This is just what I use. People ask, so it's what I have. And it works, which is important because, you know, you see some ads on Facebook and TikTok and stuff like that, and these people are doing their hair, excuse me, and you're like, oh my God, does that really work? And then you get it and it like doesn't work at all. And you're like, I just spent $150 on this thing that doesn't even work. So yeah. Like random stragglers here. It's the hard part about crimping your hair or curling it even, is sometimes those random pieces of hair get lost in the mix. So I know it looks ridiculous right now, but it won't when we're done. So we're just doing in sections, like I said. Keeps getting caught on my damn doorknob from my bathroom sink. So you can like totally fast forward through all of this to the end if you want. I'll put all the links for all the stuff I use in the description below, so you don't have to sit here with me the entire time and watch me do my hair. I just wanted to show you that it is pretty quick and easy, especially when you're having a day that like you don't really want to do a whole lot with your hair, but you want to make it look like you're not a total like, you know, stay-at-home mom like me. So just be careful. Also, you can burn your ear with these things. These metal plates right here are hot. They are hot. I know that like kind of goes without saying, but I mean, they have to put warnings on McDonald's cups for some people. So, you know, for like the coffee. Contents of cup is hot. No shit. Seems like kind of a, you know, obvious thing, but apparently not. So just a disclaimer, these little crimpy plates are hot and they will burn you. I have a burn mark right there. The bottom one, the little round one right there at the bottom. Got that from the bubble wand that I also have from Head Candy. I don't even know what happened. I just accidentally touched my arm with it, and like it for just a split second, it burned the shit out of my arm. And I did that like 4 years ago, and I still have the scar. So yeah. Don't be stupid with your stuff. You know, 450 degrees means 450 degrees. But anyway, so I was telling people that I have like coarse hair, okay? So I can't wash my hair every day like a lot of people can. it will break off. So what I do is I use a salt scrub for my hair to get all the product out when I wash my hair, and it substitutes as a shampoo because it's also like a foaming cleanser. I'll put the link in the bottom. Even my husband uses it, and he doesn't even put product in his hair, but he's like, this stuff is great. I'm like, yeah, it's like a massage for your head. It's great. But when I do wash my hair during the week, I will only wash it with conditioner, just like you would wash it with shampoo. Like really get in there, scrub your scalp, if you have hair like mine. If not, and your hair routine is working for you, you do you. But this is how I take care of my, as you can see, very coarse Cuban hair. I mean, I don't know if you can you hear that? Like how it's just, it's a rough texture. It's not like soft. I mean, it is soft, but I don't know how to describe it really, other than coarse. So I got it from my daddy because my mother has incredibly fine hair and she cannot even use product in her hair except for like a spritz of hairspray. That's it. Anything else, any of these little serums that I use and stuff like that to like get rid of the frizz, it makes her hair just look really super greasy. And it's just because of the texture of her hair. And it's really strange because her hair and my hair are so vastly different. But my daughter's hair is not like that. My daughter has really, really thick hair, and I have to use like Aquanet for her hair because otherwise her hair will fall, and it will be, because she's just got so much of it, like nothing else works. So I gotta go like 1920s Aquanet style on her. And you guys probably think, oh my God, this looks so ridiculous. What is this woman doing? I promise you at the end, it will look so much better. And then I don't use any kind of special conditioner. I mean, I do use a special conditioner, but I mean, it's not like, I don't know. It's not like, you know, some expensive, I'll put the link in the bottom. I don't even know what it's called. It comes in a yellow bottle. My friend who was a hairdresser in Orlando, she's now moved to Alaska. She was the one who told me about it. She's like, you should use this for your hair. So that is the conditioner that I use. And I also use a leave-on mask. Well, it's not, you leave it on for 5 minutes when you're in the shower. And I only use that like once every couple weeks because I don't really need the oil in my hair. And I also don't use coconut oil because it doesn't work for me. It makes my hair not soft at all. I have literally soaked my entire head in coconut oil, went to bed with a cap on my head because everybody said you're gonna wake up and it's gonna be miraculous. Nothing changed. My hair was exactly the same. It did not make any difference at all. So I have to use things like almond oil, that works, cold pressed. I use anything with rosemary in it, that helps also. Anything with tea tree, which helps like stimulate your follicles and your hair to try to attempt to grow it longer. But I think that like everybody has a certain point where their hair just won't go past. My hair will not go past like right here. That's it. I just got it cut not too long ago, so that's why it's like shorter than it normally is. I had to go in and have it trimmed because it was time. And yeah, so I had about, I don't know, 2 inches cut off, but I had to have it evened out because it was like, it grows in a weird way. Like the back part grows way longer than the front part. So yeah, so now we're 14 minutes into it and I'm just about done. I gotta do some last minute pieces here. It's so hard to do those back pieces. The very back of your head. I look ridiculous. Go on YouTube, they said. Embarrass yourself in public so that people can see that you look like a Hot Mess Express every day. Just a mom trying to not look like a disaster every day. So I have a few subscribers on here. I know Amanda's probably watching, so hey Amanda, if you're watching, I hope you got your hoodie. I design hoodies on nickelsandimes.co, ones that say like, you know, I'm just a mom or still not sorry. I have a line for special needs because I have a son with disabilities. I only create the designs. I do not sell them. I do not print the shirts myself. I have one on there that says "Good Mom Say Bad Words." And that I love those shirts, but I get them from a place called like Spring Tea or something. They do all that stuff. All I do is just submit the designs in my spare time. It's not a job. It's more like a hobby. It doesn't like significantly, it doesn't pay me or anything like that. Alrighty. So we are almost done, and then I'm going to show you how I don't make it look like it does right now. But we're about finished, and we're 16 minutes in. So not too bad for having, you know, messy bun hair to having something that doesn't look like crap. But any of the t-shirt designs that you like, if you go to nickelsandimes.co, it's nickelsandimes.co. You can see all the designs that I make there. I've got one that says like Boss Mom on it because I feel like, you know, sometimes we need a little encouragement. Remember, we're boss bitches. Even when we don't feel like it. Even when we feel like our children are going to destroy our house and they are going to consume our time and they are going to never get with the program. We're still boss bitches. All right. So I have bangs. So I don't do the top of my bangs. I just do the very bottom so it kind of looks like it blends in with my head. And now I have done my whole head in 18 minutes. Fuck you. Okay, so this is it. I run my hands through it. If you have like a pick comb, you can use that. I just use my fingernails because that's easy. I just pull them out like that. And that's it. I've got a to-go hairstyle in less than 20 minutes, from messy bun to not so hot mess. If you have bangs like me, sometimes I will pull my bangs up and I will put them to the side like that, so they're not in my face, because, you know, sometimes they get in your face, a pain in the butt. And I will flatten that out. There we go. And that's it. And I will put on some leggings and some very basic makeup, which I've already done a tutorial for, but this is it. This is how I do it. This is how I do it. Okay, showing my age now. Let me stop. That's it. It is so easy, so fast, under 20 minutes, and done. And it will hold. At least, I mean, it holds for me. So, I mean, my hair is different. Your hair is different. If you need hairspray, use hairspray. But this is it. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and like and subscribe. Links are down below. Go to nickelsandimes.co. Check out the Good Moms Say Bad Words and other lines of shirts and hoodies and face masks and all sorts of stuff. There's all sorts of stuff there. But you can rest assured that every design is made by me. All right. Stay beautiful, bitches.